So in this course, we're going to look first at an introduction to SQL Server 2012. We'll look at the history of SQL and the tools used to query SQL Server, specifically SQL Server Management Studio. We'll look at an overview of T-SQL. We'll dive into some of the different components, including variables. We'll talk about the categories of T-SQL and the control flow of T-SQL. Then we'll look specifically at select statements and writing select statements. We'll look at filtering data, how data can be filtered based upon the data type and using predicates within our where. Then we'll look at join and set operators. Joining tables, since SQL Server databases are typically very normalized, then we're not just looking at a spreadsheet. We need to join many tables together to be able to return our results. We'll look at subqueries and table expressions. We'll look at different objects that can be used to maintain result sets, whether temporarily as a variable or for a specific scope or amount of time with temporary tables. We'll look at a number of different system functions, our scalar valued functions, our aggregate functions, string functions, date and time functions. We'll look at T-SQL programming, how to create different objects, including views, stored procedures, functions, and triggers. Then we'll look at transactions, how to insert, update, delete, and modify data already existing within SQL Server tables. And we'll look at how we're able to control our transactions or the flow of the transactions and to control transactions within batches. Then we'll look at query performance. After we've written our queries, how can we tune the queries? We'll discuss indexes, non-clustered and clustered indexes, and we'll discuss how to read query plans and different statistics that can be read to give us insight into what's occurring within our queries.